Morning guys, welcome back to the channel. Today is the day of the SJT, the Situational Judgment Test, which is the exam that pretty much determines where we're going to end up for our foundation junior doctor jobs next year. So now for the long cycle into Cambridge Town Centre in the cold, snowy conditions to sit this exam. See you in a bit.
A few moments later.
Alright, so that's the exam over. Everyone's milling around the Guildhall. We're all discussing what's been going on with it.
It was a delightful experience. Can't wait to do it again next year.
Thoughts? I've no thoughts. I just used all of them in there.
So pretty much our biggest exam of our medical school career is over. So we're pretty psyched and we're heading to Pizza Hut to celebrate.
Alright, time for the Pizza Hut buffet in celebration of finishing our exams, and we'll see you in a bit. What you're going to do is you're going to memorize the order of this deck of cards.
Of course I am.
And it's going to be wonderful. I'm going to take a card from the bottom and a card from the top.
Okay.
I want you to tell me which of these is red and which of these is black. What about the next one? What about black?
Red.
Okay, and the next one?
Red.
And the next one?
Black.
Okay.
Red.
Yeah.
Black. Black.
In fact, why don't you take the cards yourself and one at a time, face down. Just like deal them into red and black. Don't think too hard about it. Let's focus on your subconscious mind. Just one at a time, face down. Yeah. Remember. What would you say are the chances of a... Because, okay, we got that one, and we got that, 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 we got that. In fact, we could go forever, but really, perfect separation. Red cards on one side, black cards on the other side. I really don't know how you did it.
You're a magician, Lizzie. He's speechless. Bravo.
Hey guys, so today seems to be pizza day.
Pizza day, that's what it is. It's pizza day and you're gonna love it.
So after the cheeky SJT, we went to Pizza Hut for the buffet there.
You went to Pizza Hut already?
Yes.
You fat bastard.
And now Callum is very kindly making pizza for all of us, homemade pizza. So we're going to do a cheeky cinematic slow-mo montage thing of Callum making pizza to a suitably appropriate music track. Hope you enjoy it, and then I think afterwards we're going to play some board games. Yeah, can't be bothered to do any more work today. Here we go for the pizza montage. Alright guys, so now it's the end of the day. We've had a wonderful day. We had the SJT in the morning, then we went to Pizza Hut for a buffet, then we just kind of chilled around Cambridge, went to the Winter Fair, came home, had some more homemade pizza, and then we spent the last like 5 hours playing this board game. Thank you very much for watching. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed yet, please consider doing so, and I'll see you in the next one. Good night.